This is one of the most detailed images of Jupiter. What you're looking at here are not clouds, but massive storms that have been raging for over 200 years. And the most shocking part, these storms are so huge that Earth is nothing compared to them. But the real fear starts here, the sound of Jupiter. Yes, space is silent, but scientists converted its radio signals into audio, and the sound they got was straight out of a horror movie. So creepy that people even started calling it the Hell Planet. And now, I'm about to play that real sound of Jupiter for you. Put on your headphones and listen carefully, because this sound might just keep you awake all night.